We really need your help. It's urgent.
What happened?
We were playing ball near Captain Ignorance's house, but Frank kicked the ball so hard that it broke the window pane. We must put another one in place before the captain notices.
That's what I call urgent. I have a piece of glass here that will fit perfectly in that window.
We had a tough time rescuing the ball there, and we got trapped. Do you believe that to get out, we had to solve 3 math riddles?
Really? What riddles were those?
Wow, they were all number formation challenges.
If we had the base 10 blocks you're making there, it would have been much easier.
Yeah, as far as I remember, they could have helped. But it's been so long since I last used these materials.
So, let's recap. See these little cubes? Each one represents a unit, indicated by the number 1. By grouping 10 cubes, we get a rod, that is, a 10, and it is represented by the number 10.
Pete! By placing 10 rods on this flat, it gets completely filled. So, does that mean that I've formed 10 tens?
Exactly! This is the 100 flat, represented by the number 100. It holds 100 cubes, which means 100 units, or 100 ones.
How cool! No wonder Miss Macy loves this material so much. It seems like numbers make more sense this way.
For sure. Look at this box full of screws. How many screws do you think there are in here?
I have no idea.
Let's count and put them in these smaller boxes. Woo! Here, I counted 100 screws or 100.
I counted 30. That's 3 tens, right?
And I counted 9 screws or 9 ones.
Adding them all together, 100 plus 30 plus 9 equals 139.
You built and broke down the number, Pete.
That's right, Mr. Wolf. In this number, we have 100, 3 tens, and 9 ones. What you call breaking down the number is the decomposition of the number according to its place value. And when we build the number, we are performing the composition of the number by adding the parts we got from the decomposition.
That's really cool, Pete. Boys, look what I found in this box. My old collection of marbles. I promised I would give some to Frank. Can you help me sort them? 10, 20, 50.
I counted 8 marbles here.
150. And I counted 200 marbles on this side. So, with the base 10 blocks, I can solve this problem. To build this number, I'll need 200 flats. No rods for the tens, and 8 cubes for the units. Let's just place the numbers in the correct places and it will be all set. 2 hundreds, 0 tens, and 8 ones.
Very good, Mr. Wolf. 200 plus 0 plus 8 equals 208.
How cool! I got 208 marbles. I love it!
Do you remember it now, Mr. Wolf? Everything we did here is called composition and decomposition of numbers.
From now on, I'll use all this knowledge in the workshop. See these 3 boxes of nails? In the first one, I counted 800 nails. The second has 60, and the third has 6. Now, I just need to add them all together and I'll know how many nails I have in total. 800 plus 60 plus 6 equals 866 nails.
Great, guys! This conversation is good! We've recapped how to use the base 10 blocks. But we can't forget about fixing Captain Ignorance's window, right?
You're right, Frank. I almost forgot about that.
So, let's go, boys. We'll come back here later, because I still need to finish the base 10 blocks for Miss Macy.
And you? How about trying to do composition and decomposition of other numbers with your friends?